The package has arrived finally. We've got all we need for the winter training, like the gloves, the jackets, the jerseys. We've got Pearl Izumi, we've got Shimano, we've got some team sets. We have some nice eyewear from Shimano and some warmers and everything. So at least to review it and show it, I have it for you prepared. So that's something coming up in the next episode. But now on this one, we are focusing on training. I have my Garmin 520 8H Fine 20 connected to my computer, and I'm going to show you how to use really nicely done Garmin Connect account in order to make your own training session. So let's jump to my screen. By the way, this is the cheap turbo trainer that's just being uploaded for you. It's going to be available for you soon. That's the review, and we are signing into the account. Let's do it once more. I like it because when we are training, it's so difficult to be focusing on how many intervals I've already done and how many are left for me. I want to see that on my screen. I want to see also how long do I have to be in this and do this, like for certain intervals. On the screen here on our interface, we go down and scroll to the workouts, and here we are able to create a workout. We can choose between running, biking, swimming and some custom workout. I'm just going to choose bike and create a workout. And what I like here, it is super easy, and there's just one feature missing for me, which is copying different steps of our training. But anyway, it doesn't take long. Let's just see, it's 2 minutes, we are 2 minutes into the video, so let's see how long it takes to create a nice training session. Let's say I'm gonna do power interval training session. I'm gonna start with warm-up. You can choose between warm-up, bike, recover, rest, cool down and other. Just warm-up is fine. Here we can choose between time, distance, lap button press. I didn't try this one, but probably you can like be in this step as long as you don't press the lap button press. When you press it, you just move on to the next step. That's what I think, and it's also clever. Then calories, you can also plan how many calories you want to burn, heart rate and power. I'm not sure about these two either. But time, that's something I'm always going for. So let's say warm-up for the interval session would be 20 minutes. I don't like short warm-ups. So 20 minutes. Add more. Here we are adding pace, like how many minutes per kilometer, speed, cadence, and then zones, heart rate and power. I'm gonna go for power. For the intervals, I'm using the custom zone, but for the warm-up, zone number 1 is just fine. Now for some warm-ups, we also do the intervals, but then you can just use features I'm gonna show you in the second. So now we can just create it step by step, but we can also use this option, which is add a repeat, and that's something we are actually using when doing the interval session. So we can now drag it up just below the warm-up. Okay, we have it here. And now I'm going to be doing interval training, the power intervals, which will last for 3 minutes in zone 5, 6, but I'm gonna choose custom zone in watts. I'm gonna do just between 280 and 320 watts. Okay, so that's for 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna recover between intervals for half of that time, which is 1.5, so 1 minute 30 seconds. And here I'm just choosing zone 1. I'm just going to spin very easily. Okay, and then I'd like to repeat this interval 3 times. So repeat, I'm gonna just plus for 3 times. And this will be my first set of the intervals, and then I want to have some longer recover time. So the next step here will be also recover, and since I already have 1.5 minutes in this repeat step, I will just add 2.5 so that I'll have 4 minutes between sets and zone 1. Okay, is it clear for you? So we've got one set of the intervals, 3 intervals and 1.5 minutes between those, but then between those sets I'm gonna have 4 minutes of a break. And then one feature that is missing here is to actually copy this and paste below this recovery. So because I'm gonna do same thing just once more, so I'm just adding a repeat, then I'm dragging it just below this recover time, and then I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So let's just do it quickly. 3, and I'm gonna just mark zone 6, and then recover time will be 1:30, and zone 6, and then cool down for time 15 minutes will be just enough. Okay, this is my session. Now I'm going to name it like power intervals, all right, and save it. Okay. We can also review it and add some notes. This is cool, but what I'm gonna do now is to send it to my device. My device is already connected, so just click send. And then if you have different devices, you can choose between those. I'm having Edge 520, sending now. And now Garmin Connect goes through my Garmin Express software on my computer, and it sends the data. And then I'm going to show the screen, because the screen on the workout is really cool. I love it. It is so easy. Okay, it's synchronizing right now, and it can take a minute or so. But what I like about the screen, you will see your workout, you will see what's coming up next, you will see how many minutes or seconds are left between before you proceed to the next part, and it's really, really cool. So let's just wait for it to synchronize. All right, it's done. Now I can just close my software and remove my Garmin here. Alrighty. Okay. So creating the workout is very easy, but also training with this workout created is super nice. My Garmin is starting right now, and it takes also just about a minute. Okay, this is my main screen here. Then we are going to training and choose that. And here workouts, and choose workouts. Here in the workouts we can choose between different workouts, but my workout is the number 4. This one with 9 steps. I'm wondering why isn't it called power intervals, but anyway, I'm choosing this one. Then we can just preview it, see whether it's this one, the one we really want to go for, or we can do workout. Now preview, it looks like that. It shows you all the steps and the intensity, so that's cool. But we just gonna, okay, I just I lost it. And then I'm gonna just choose do workout, and that's what we can see on the screen. All right, I'm starting it, and what I like about it very much, I can see exactly how many seconds are left of this part, like recovery time between intervals, or maybe the interval, and then what's coming up next. This is really cool feature, easy peasy, and it does help. It will also show me whether I'm in the zone I've planned for myself, which is very, very nice. So that's how we do it. If you have any other ways to plan your workout and have it on your Garmin or whatever device, just let me know, guys, and we'll stay tuned for the clothing on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.